Alright, if you've ever spent hours copying business information from Google Maps, searching for email addresses, or reading through customer reviews one business at a time, today's video is going to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to scrape Google Maps business listings with email addresses and collect Google Maps reviews using BrowserAgent. Instead of manually clicking through hundreds of listings, BrowserAgent can automate the entire process for you using an AI-powered browser running in the cloud. Imagine you're a freelancer, agency owner, affiliate marketer, or local SEO consultant. One of the biggest challenges is finding quality leads. Normally, you'd search Google Maps, open each business listing, visit their website, look for contact information, copy everything into a spreadsheet, and repeat that process dozens or even hundreds of times. That can easily take several hours. Now imagine telling an AI exactly what you want, sitting back, and watching it complete the work automatically. That's exactly what BrowserAgent is designed to do. Unlike traditional AI chatbots that simply answer questions or write content, BrowserAgent actually operates a real browser in the cloud. It can navigate websites, click buttons, scroll pages, collect information, and organize everything into structured reports. One of my favorite features is its Google Maps lead scraper mission. Here's how it works. First, you simply select the Google Maps lead scraper template or create your own custom mission. Then, enter your search query. For example, dentists in Miami, roofing companies in Dallas, or restaurants in London. You can even tell BrowserAgent exactly what information you want it to collect, including the business name, phone number, website, business category, address, opening hours, and any other publicly available information. Once you start the mission, BrowserAgent opens its own cloud browser and begins searching Google Maps automatically. You'll actually be able to watch the browser navigate through the listings in real time as it gathers the data. Now here's where it becomes even more useful. After collecting the business websites, BrowserAgent can visit those websites and search for publicly available business email addresses. Instead of opening every website yourself, the AI performs the browsing for you and compiles everything into a clean spreadsheet that's ready to download. This can be incredibly helpful if you're building outreach lists for local businesses, prospecting for clients, or conducting market research. Another powerful feature is scraping Google Maps reviews. Customer reviews contain valuable insights about what people love and what they're unhappy about. BrowserAgent can collect review information from business listings, making it much easier to analyze customer sentiment, identify recurring complaints, discover competitive advantages, and better understand local markets. For local SEO professionals and agencies, this information can help create detailed audit reports. For business owners, it provides a faster way to understand customer feedback without manually reading hundreds of reviews. Another thing I really like is that BrowserAgent doesn't run on your own computer. Everything happens in the cloud. That means you can launch a mission, close your laptop, continue working on something else, or even leave your desk while the AI continues gathering data. Once it's finished, you can download the results and review everything in one organized report. BrowserAgent also lets you schedule recurring missions, so if you regularly monitor competitors, collect new leads, or track review activity, you can automate those tasks instead of repeating the same manual work every week. BrowserAgent offers an interesting way to automate repetitive browser tasks that would normally consume hours of manual work. Whether you're generating business leads, researching competitors, collecting publicly available contact information, or analyzing customer reviews, having an AI browser assistant can significantly improve your workflow. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, browser automation tutorials, and online business strategies, and leave a comment below letting me know what BrowserAgent task you'd like to see demonstrated next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.